Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, this video shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, start shapes drawing. Kids, cloud, pentagon. It's pentagon. Square. L shape. Triangle. Circle. Kids, cloud, pentagon, square, L shape, triangle, circle. Kids, color fill. Kids, color fill. Kids, color fill. Start. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Blue color, cloud. Red color, kids. Red color, kids. Red color, kids, pentagon. Yellow color, kids. Yellow color, kids. Yellow color, kids. Yellow color, kids. Square. Brown color, kids. Brown color, kids. L shape. L shape. L shape. Brown color. Green color, kids. Green color, kids. Green color, kids. Triangle. Golden color, kids. Golden color, kids. Circle. Golden color, kids. Circle. Kids, shapes name repeat: cloud, pentagon, square, L shape, triangle, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thank you kids. Next video coming soon.